Hey there, so in this video we will be discussing more about affiliate marketing, what it is and how you can build a business around it. So if you want to explore more about affiliate marketing, then I will be making a series of videos on it so that you can better understand and create something out of it which you can call it as a business. All right, so yeah, but if you're not so sure what kind of business you should choose in the year 2020, right, then you should watch my previous video. I mentioned about all the types of businesses that are out there, and yeah, so you will get a better perspective as to which business to start. So go check out that video, it should be up in the icon. All right then, so let's get started with affiliate marketing. All right, so yeah, so those of you who absolutely don't know what affiliate marketing is, all right, so yeah, so this is my article on affiliate marketing, and yeah, so it has a lot of information for beginners, for beginning. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing and how does it works, right? So yeah, so I'll just go through it very briefly because this video is more than this, right? So affiliate marketing is type of marketing where you get in partnership with a company, right? So you can use the products of the other company, okay, and you get the opportunity to market it, right? Now affiliate marketing can be of any form. It could be of the physical products, like anything. It could be anything. uh, I'm pretty sure most of you are aware of Amazon affiliates, right? So you can pretty much sell anything, and also you can sell digital products as well, which does not require shipping and anything else, like a course. Of a site called Udemy, right? They have all sorts of online courses, and it's a digital product because you don't have to you know go get it physically in a disc or something like that, right? So these are the two types of products that you can market, right? And that's an added advantage, right? Because you can market the digital products. Okay, so yeah, I mean, you can get started with affiliate marketing by becoming an influencer. Maybe you can start your own YouTube channel or your Instagram page, and yeah, I mean, you know s- find a way to get people interested, and see how you can help them. Okay, find the problem, right? If someone needs to play game, if you are a gaming channel, right, you would promote products which are related to gaming, like a gaming laptop or a gaming keyboard, right? So that's how you solve their problem, and as well as make money um, doing that, right? Because it's not costing them any additional price. Even if they choose to buy it from Amazon directly, they'll have to pay the same price, right? But you are also suggesting your own thing, right? So you are also getting some benefit from it, so it's a win-win situation, right? So yeah, so affiliate marketing is all about that. Okay, so in Amazon, I mean, Amazon Affiliate Associates, this is the website. You can search it on Google, and the first link you can find it over here. So you can earn up to 10% advertising fees, right? So that's good, and yeah, so that's how it is. Okay, now how do you get started with affiliate marketing? Now you know what is affiliate marketing, how you can I mean, have a product and just go for it. But how do I get started with it? Okay, so you need to find the companies which are giving the products to the affiliates to promote. Okay, now you can definitely go with Amazon affiliates. All right, uh, but you need a website to get started with it, so you might have to design your own website first, and put some great content in it so that you get accepted into the Amazon Associates program. And after that, yes, you'll get the link for every product on Amazon. And the fun part is, if the customer clicks on your Amazon link, and you know, chooses not to buy like instantly, but waits for 1 hour, 2 hour, or any amount of time which is not greater than 24 hours, you'll get the commission. No matter what they buy, you'll get the commission. Let's say you were promoting a watch, right? And they clicked on it, they saw the watch, but you know, they thought that okay, I'll buy it later. But maybe the very same day they bought a bicycle or a book or something like that. You'll still get the commissions for that, right? So this is how Amazon works. Not every affiliate program works that way, but this is just, I'm telling you right out the bat that this is a good thing, right? So yeah, I mean, there are other companies as well which are solely for digital products. Those companies are these companies. Okay, you can go on and check it out, right, and do your research on them. But yeah, these companies are really good. JVZoo, Max Bounty, and ClickBank. I mean, you can do it. All right, now that you have found the company, and now you know the about the products, you need to, you know, select a niche or whatever it is, right? Niche, I should say. So niche is a particular interest. I mean, if you are an influencer on YouTube, and if you chose that way to promote products, or maybe Instagram or something like that, right? If you are not particular about what you do, right? If you're not focused on one thing, like you make content randomly, then it is going to be a big problem, because people might not understand you know, what you are you, let's say for example, you sometimes play games, sometimes do something else only altogether, like do reaction videos, or make some other content, funny content, then your channel is just too diverse, right? I'm taking example of YouTube, right? Now people won't understand. Now these gamer subscribers won't understand why are you making the videos, reaction videos. They'll think, why have I subscribed to this channel, so I'll unsubscribe, or I'll do not watch this channel. So that happens. So you need to be focused. If you are a gamer, if you like playing games, then stick to that, right? or 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 if you are into something else, then stick to that only, okay? And find products related to that. So that's selecting your niche. You have to niche down, you have to, you know, be particular about it, okay? So that's one way to get started, right? So yeah, I mean, ClickBank has a lot of products on healthcare related, and as well as digital, you know, educational products. So you can go explore them, and whichever you feel like is worth promoting, and you think is going to provide value to your audience. Obviously this has to be a really good product, right? And which can solve the problems of your audience, right? If it doesn't, or if it's something else, only just a hyped up thing kind of product, you should probably not do that, because you're breaking the trust of your audience, okay? And that's what I think you should never do. It would ruin your reputation forever, okay? So just stick to one or two products, and yeah, and if you think that they are totally worth it. There are other ways to get into affiliate marketing, especially the ones with who are having a lot of influence, right? And the influencers, very big influencers that people already know, but still they have some product and they want to, like, you know, sell it, right? They want more and more, you know, people coming in, right? So you can get that. Sometimes you'll have to invest in the product to get the benefit out of it, and you can do the same, right? So yeah, that's how you know, that's what are the options available for you right now. Most YouTube channel or any other you know, as I mean, well, from what I have known, won't even share this bit at all, because, you know, because most people are attracted towards making money online, like they want the money instantly. And I hate to break it to you, you won't get money like that. I mean, if someone is promising you to, get money like that, it's not going to work. You'll be frustrated. Okay, you'll have to put in the time and build a business around it. I mean, it's just too good to be true to make money like this. Okay, especially if you have absolutely no experience, I can guarantee you it's not going to work for long term, even if it did work for short term, like investing in some forex or something like that. Okay, all right, so yeah, I pretty much explained about what is affiliate marketing and how to get started with it, right? There is more to it uh, than this, but I will continue that part in the next video, so that this video is already getting long right now. Okay, so let's discuss about some tips. Oh, all right, so I already discussed about them, and yeah, providing some valuable information to your audience is very, very important, right? And yeah, so that's about it, right? That's about it for this video. In the next video, I'll be talking more about affiliate marketing and the technical part on how to get started with it, right? So stay tuned for that. And also, I'll be putting the link to this article so that you can take some time and read it, right? There are other articles as well on affiliate marketing that I have written on this on my Medium account, right? You can follow me and check it out, right? And yeah, so that's about it. All right, so I'll see you next time with another affiliate marketing video. So this would be a mini series where you'll learn about affiliate marketing, and up to the point where you have a business, an affiliate marketing business to talk about. Okay, all right, so see you next time.